Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here to talk about makeup brushes. So let's dig deep. And everybody has doubts which brushes to buy, which not to buy. I mean, when you start off, it's difficult, and I'm making this video from a point of view of someone who wants to do makeup on themselves daily, or when they are going out and they need few brushes. So what are my favorites and absolute buy? The kind of brushes I'm telling you about, not the brands or anything. So currently I'm using very basic brushes. The one is this buffing brush, which is fluffy. So after you apply your foundation, I don't have a foundation application brush with me here. I'll post a picture of it uh, here so you can see. So you can skip that brush. You can just take foundation on your palm, and then you can apply it like this on your face, and then you can use this brush and buff it, and it's gonna look nice. So this is a must-have brush for you, a buffing brush. A brand doesn't matter, you can start small, you can buy a simple one, and then as you are getting more used to it and you think that okay, I can level up, then you go ahead and buy something that is pricey. We have makeup brushes for Sigma, Real Technique, MAC, everything, Pack. So Pack brushes are also very nice. Mine are hopefully on their way to me, but for now I have this. So this is the number one brush. Then comes these two brushes. I'll show you. So this is an angled fluffy brush. See, it's very fluffy, it's angled, so it's gonna help you with your contour, because it is already on in an angle. So it's gonna be very helpful in the contour. So you're gonna need this angled brush for your contours. So this is the second brush that you should have. Beauty blenders, all of us have beauty blenders. So I am a person who switches on and off between brushes and beauty blenders. Something just work well for me with the brushes, some with the beauty blender. And under eyes, I like brushes, I can do it with beauty blender as well. Same is the case, I can do my full face with a beauty blender and it's still gonna be okay for me. But if you are really interested in brushes, I'm suggesting few. If you ask me for my preference, I prefer both. Some days I feel that brushes are just real good when it comes. So this is again a fluffy brush. It's gonna help you with blush application. It's gonna cover a lot of area. It's round in shape. So this is the difference. So for now we have covered three brushes. This is the foundation buffing brush, this is contour, and this is blush application wala brush. Again also powder brush sort of. This is my highlighter brush. So it's triangular and I use it to apply my highlighter here everywhere. This is the fourth brush. So I think these four are enough for your face. Now we'll move for your eyes. For your eyes, you need a fluffy brush of two different sizes. I think two fluffy brush will do. One a bit bigger brush, and one a small brush. So the bigger the brush is, the easier it is to get the product on your bigger part. And as you move to your inner eyes or inner corner, you need the brush to be smaller and smaller. So to blend, the fluffy brush is very nice. You can put your foundation, put your eye color or anything from these kind of flat brushes which are also there with your makeup palette or your eyeshadow palettes which you buy. So there is a brush which is there already there, so you can keep your product from that brush and then you can blend it using your fluffy brushes. So these are absolutely necessary when you're doing eye makeup. It comes in very handy. So I'm not gonna tell you to buy a pencil brush and everything right now, but if you're starting out, fluffy brushes for your eyes. Then we need just one more brush, which is an angled brush like this. So you can use your eyeshadow palette itself to do your brows. You can do your liner with this kind of brush. So again, this comes in very handy. Lipstick brush is something that if you are someone who's using a lipstick palette, then go buy a lipstick brush. I have used the Color Bar one. It is really nice. I don't have it with me right now. I'll put up a picture. So lipstick brush comes into picture when you are using a palette. If you are not, you have your lipstick and you're not applying it to anyone else, it's just for your own personal use, then you can apply the lipstick directly. Sometimes it happens that lipstick go haywire on your lips, so that's when we do need a lipstick brush, but it's not something that is absolutely necessary. So the most necessary brush that we need is a fluffy foundation brush, buffing brush, from which we are going to blend our foundation. Application brush, we can do application with our hands. Then there is this blush fluffy brush which you can use for your blush, then the highlighter brush, and then your contour blush. So these are our face brushes. For eyes, we need a fluffy brush to blend our eyes shadows. So I think I would suggest you go buy 3 brushes of different sizes. The bigger one for your crease and outer crease, and then as you come in, you can use the smaller brush. Inner corner, I think you can do with your hands, it's gonna work. And lipstick brush, I won't suggest right now if you're not using a palette. If you are, you can buy Color Bar's lipstick brush, they're nice. So for when it comes to me, I have these many brushes with me, and I have some more in Bangalore. So buying brushes is never ending process, and never I have a lot of beauty blenders also. So beauty blenders I prefer on my under eyes, and whenever I have too much makeup on, when I feel that some product is too much on my face, that's when I use a beauty blender to get it out. I usually blend my color correctors always with a beauty blender. So that's it, that's our brushes video. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. Do subscribe to our channel, like this video, click on the bell icon for more such videos. And if you want to have any more information about makeup brushes, do write to me in the comment section. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.